Hello my friends, welcome back. So today we are going to talk about most dangerous electrical accidents which can be happens in a solar system and what are the reasons to happen them and how to avoid them. So if we are going to install a solar system or if you have a solar system, please consider about these mistakes. So guys, the first mistake is what will happen if glands are not used in the system. So guys, gland is used when we insert a cable into a casing or to a distribution box. The purpose of the gland is the gland hold the wires tightly so it don't allow cable to come pull out from the DB box, and also water, dust, insects are not allowed to go into the casing or DB box, and also it protects the cables cutting from the sharp edges of the casing or DB box. So as a summary, glands are protect the system from electrical accidents. And then the second mistake is how and when to use the earthing system properly. So my friends, when we talk about the earthing system, its main function is to bring the surge or fault current into the ground. So as an example, if there is a short circuit situation which created by a MC4 connector or any damaged DC cable on the rooftop, the whole solar panel structure can be electrically conductive. So we need to connect the whole solar panel structure to the earth rod to be grounded. So don't forget to connect your solar panel structure to the earth rod. And when you connect the earth wire to the earth rod, use a earth pit or this kind of earth inspection box for troubleshooting purposes. And my friends, the third one is fact to consider when selecting the switches. As an example, when selecting the MCB or any type of breaker, make sure that the current rating of the breaker is lower than the current rating of the cable, because then only the breaker will be tripped before melting the wire in a short circuit situation. To get a more idea about how to select the AC cables and MCBs, watch my previous videos if you like. And the fourth point is use a RCCB for all metallic enclosure boxes, because if we are using a distribution board with metal enclosure, you must use a RCCB, because if you are using a distribution box with metal enclosure, you must use a RCCB, because if there is a current leakage or short circuit situation inside the DB box, and if someone touch the DB box, he will get a electrical shock because of the metal enclosure. So to prevent that, please use a RCCB. Then when someone touch the DB box with electrical shock, the DB board will be tripped off. And my friends, the fifth point is how to lay the AC cables correctly. So guys, when you mount the large size of AC cables, don't bend the wires too much beyond the appropriate radius of the cable, because if you bend the wires too much, the internal conductors of the wires will be cracked and get damaged. And also remember to install a cable ladder as a support for the AC cables. Otherwise, whole weight of the cables will goes to the cable lug. And also make sure to tight the all cables and lugs for appropriate level when connecting to the distribution board, unless otherwise loose wires will make fire in the system. And my friends, the most important thing is, please like this video and subscribe my channel to watch my next video. Learn more electrical concepts. So guys, see you soon.